to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2025 Mercedes AMG C63 S. The 2025 Mercedes AMG C63 S takes the luxury sports sedan to a new level, combining cutting-edge technology with performance-focused engineering. It is the epitome of modern automotive design, offering a thrilling driving experience, a luxurious interior, and a hybrid powertrain that marks a significant shift in Mercedes-AMG's approach to performance vehicles. The latest C63S marks a bold move in the world of performance sedans. Gone is the roaring 4.0-liter V8 of its predecessor, replaced with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a plug-in hybrid system. While the engine may have been downsized, the power hasn't. This new setup delivers a staggering 671 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque. Mercedes AMG has added several exciting updates for the 2025 model year. Latest MBUX3 infotainment system. Enjoy seamless connectivity with advanced software and 5G compatibility. Enhanced safety. A center-mounted airbag adds an extra layer of protection. Performance braking option. Opt for the AMG high-performance ceramic composite braking system for unparalleled stopping power. Inside, the 2025 C63S combines luxury with sportiness, offering a cabin tailored for both comfort and performance. Exclusive AMG styling. The interior features unique upholstery, stitching patterns, and AMG-branded sport seats designed for weight savings and extra support. Standard features. A panoramic sunroof and heated front seats come standard, while options include seat ventilation, a heated steering wheel, and sport seats with additional bolstering. Premium tech. 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. This large, driver-focused display is integrated seamlessly into the center console. 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Provides all essential driving data in a sleek, customizable format. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless connectivity makes integrating your smartphone effortless. Burmester stereo system. Delivers high-fidelity audio for an immersive listening experience. The 2025 C63S introduces a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, a significant departure from the twin-turbo V8 of its predecessor. However, this smaller engine is far from a compromise. Electric motor boost. A 201 horsepower electric motor enhances performance and reduces turbo lag with its innovative electric turbocharger. Plug-in hybrid efficiency. While the car allows for limited all-electric driving, its primary goal is to deliver blistering performance alongside improved fuel economy. Hybrid powertrain output. The combined system generates 671 horsepower, maintaining the thrilling performance AMG enthusiasts expect. The price of the 2025 Mercedes AMG C63 starts at $87,200 and goes up to $89,250 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.